2 cylinders too little, 4 too much. Go for a triple. What's up guys, my name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a good day. Thanks to my very good friend Abhinav, I get to review this. That's right, this is the Triumph 1200 XCx Explorer. It's a pretty big motorcycle, my first impression. This horse of a motorcycle. This is the largest capacity motorcycle in its genre, that is the adventure touring. I've never driven adventure touring before and this thing is just massive. Look at the tires. He's got the Denali lights and the gold runways to literally light up the road when you're touring at night. He's got the SW Motor crash guards as well, top and bottom, which is pretty awesome for protection if you ask me. Wow, and I have had chance to ride this motorcycle for about 2-3 days, and my initial impression is that the bike is really comfortable. I mean, Triumph has made this one, this is the XCx variant, so that makes it like the off-road special, but it's more for touring motorcycle if you really ask me. And the main feature that stands out in this motorcycle is this, the single-sided swing arm. Shaft-driven motorcycle, that's right, no chain, no belt, nothing, maintenance free. It's pretty awesome, guys. He's got the Arrow exhaust also installed in it, which gives a low grunt to the motorcycle, nothing that attracts attention. It suits the motorcycle, stealthy and nice. The foot pegs are also from Triumph for the off-road edition, so that it grips your foot like really nicely, and you can stand on the motorcycle as well while you're off-roading, that is. Man, I can go on and on about this plush seat. It's not that soft, and your initial impression is that it might be really soft looking, but then when you ride on it, you get to see that this is really, really comfortable, just like sitting on a chair, you know. Now, looking at the instrument cluster here, let me show you. You get the tachometer in the middle, which is flanked by these two TFT screens. The left one gives you an option of the trip A, trip B, and the fuel. And this small thing, which I'll get to later. The right one shows you the fuel gauge, the temperature of the motorcycle, the temperature that is outside. Boy, it's really cold. And the time and the speed, which is amazing. Now, the two Denali lights and the gold runways, they're controlled by here. They're pretty bright. Let me switch that on for you. They're like absolutely bright at night. Take a look. Visibly, they're just amazing. Let's switch these off. Now, the small thing, you get to electronically control your windscreen. See? How cool is that? At its highest setting, the motorcycle and the windscreen makes sure that you don't get any wind blast on your head, which is pretty awesome. And it's really built for weather protection. So it's got a few fins here and here, which means your knees are also protected from any rain, or I mean from the front, that is. It's awesome. You get a bulb on the headlight and LED on the indicators and tail light, which is amazing. Talking about the comfort a little bit more, you get heated grips standard on the XCx, which is a good feature to have. In the newer models, you get heated seats and for the pillion rider as well, which is a really good option to have. They come from standard factory only, so that's a good thing. Now about the pillion seat, the ergonomics of the guy sitting or the girl sitting behind you is also pretty good. Your foot is not crammed up, you are in a very relaxed position, and you get a much better view than the rider actually, so that if you are helping him navigate or her navigate, you know what's coming ahead. Talking about a little bit of more performance, they come standard with the WP suspension, which are completely adjustable from the dash, front and back. They're adjustable. The stopping power in this is enormous. It gets 4 piston calipers each side, so that means 8, and it stops. It's got some kick when it stops. I mean, all it takes is this and you can stop it nicely. He's got the pannier stays on this one, which I'll leave a link to his video that how the pannier stays work and how to install them, which is pretty awesome. Makes it an SUV on 2 wheels if you want to carry stuff. I mean, 37 each side, 60 on the front, on the rear one. Makes you carry a lot of stuff, and plus he's got the tank pad also installed here, which is awesome. These grippies also make the ride very much smoother. Also, it comes with a standard USB socket, which he is related to this holder, which is a pretty neat thing to have, because who wants to charge their phone on the pocket from the motorcycle, right? If you're charging it, might as well keep it here and then use it for navigation and all, right? Right. Also, it's got 3 different riding modes. Let me show you. Right now it's set to road, comes with off-road, comes with rain. That is pretty awesome. Which is, I mean, really good. The rear view mirrors on these things are really huge. I mean, they really give you a good view of what's going on behind. Hey guys, what's wrong with my accent, right? Initial impressions, this is a damn good motorcycle, built to devour miles like anything. Off-road, yes, I'm sure it will be very good because the ground clearance is 167 millimeters, which is amazing. But I don't know, some motorcycles have a higher ground clearance as well, so this is comfortable, I guess, right? But the seat height is at 837 millimeters, which is not suitable for short riders. No offense to my short friends. This is just, it'll take you too long to get on the motorcycle. And also, surprisingly, this motorcycle comes with a center stand as well, which I'm not gonna try because I'm still healing from my accident, my stupid accident. Now, the thing that I don't like about this motorcycle is when you're riding on traffic, as you do in India, it throws a little bit of heat, which is pretty nice if you're riding on winters, but God bless you, Abhinav, when you're riding this on summers. This will just burn everything. The Tiger is an amazing motorcycle to have. Would I want one? The cost of ownership would be a little too much for me to afford that. But it's a good motorcycle to have. I mean, the sheer size of it is intimidating. 20-liter fuel tank. What more can you ask, right? Just awesome this is. Now, I took it to the highways as well, and there it performs like crazy. I mean, you don't even realize the speeds you're doing thanks to this amazing and utilitarian windscreen, unless you look at the speedometer and then see that you're doing triple digits and you need to like slow down. Which is a pretty It's a good thing, but yeah, be careful. That's all I'm saying. And these 19-inch wheels, Triumph literally is saying that make your own road, guys. Just go anywhere that you want. Now, I'm a pretty tall guy. At 6'2", I can flat-foot this very easily, and still my knees are a little bent. So, which is a good thing. And the foot pegs aren't exactly placed down below, so they don't come in your way when you're moving the motorcycle front and back, which is a very good thing. Royal Enfield should have learned from this. Now, let's hear the exhaust note. See what I mean? Allow me to go closer. Does not give you that loud of a noise that the cops will stop you. But then again, this is a super bike, so if a cop sees this, he's probably gonna think that it's part of the accessory only, which comes from the factory, and it surely does. So chances are you might not get a ticket. But pretty cool sounding. I like it. Well, if you like my video, a like rating would be always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Tiger out.